Hello guys, my name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, I come to my channel. I made this sheep dress for myself. I actually have this silk material at home. I made a top out from it. So I'm using the leftover material to make this particular sheep dress today. Always keep your leftover material clean and neat because you can make something beautiful out of it. Please subscribe now to my channel, like, comment and share it with your friends, relatives. Please ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end. Kindly give this video more watch time. Turn on notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. Keep on watching this tutorial to the end to see the beautiful dress that we are going to make out of this leftover fabric. Is a silk material. So let's get started now with our tutorial for today. I'm using silk material with a touch of black fabric to complete the length of my dress. So guys, keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. So what I'll do now, I'm going to spread my fabric. I'm going to fold it into 4 pieces because I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together. So I would like you to keep on watching this particular tutorial to the end so to see the outcome. I've drawn a straight line already, so I'll just go straight to take the neckline. So I'm going by 5" for my neckline. So I'm going to bring the depth of my neckline by 2.5". Then I'll give a curve. Okay, so I'm using 11" for my body width. So I'll use 1" for my shoulder slope. So I'll just give a curve for my shoulder slope. Please slope. Then I'll take the measurement of my length, which is 31". I will give 8" for my armhole. Alright, so my bust measurement is by 38". Then I'll add 1" for my stitching allowance. So my half length, I'm going by 15". Alright, on my waistline, I'm going to mark 36" and also add 1.5" for my stitching allowance. Right, so I'll just go ahead now to my, let me shift my material a bit. So I'm going to mark 34" on my hemline. That's where I'm going to shape it. I'm going to shape it with 34". Okay, so I've done that, so I'm just going to connect the marks. Okay, all right, so I'll just connect it down to my hemline. Okay, so guys, you can see that the style that I'm cutting today is very easy to cut and sew. Okay, so you can see that I'm cutting everything together. All right, so where you can see where I'm pointing out, that's my armhole. So and I'm cutting the fabric together, so that's where my armhole will form. So that's where I'm pointing out. Okay, and don't forget that the style that we are making today is a unique style and is a silk material that I'm using to achieve this particular style that I'm making today. So why not subscribe now to my channel by clicking the red button under my video to subscribe now. Okay, and you can see how easy it is to cut this particular style. Just keep on watching this tutorial down to the end, guys. Another way for you to support my channel to grow. And don't forget to comment. Let us know what you think about our tutorials, and it's also make us to know that you are following up with the tutorials that we are uploading every week. So let's have a conversation together. What you need to do is for you to drop your comments on the comment section, so I'm going to reply you guys. Okay, so I'm still cutting the fabric. Okay, so after cutting it, we are going to cut the black fabric that we are going to use to complete the length of my sheep dress. So you can see that my sheep dress is very easy to cut, and it's very easy to understand. Just follow the procedure that we are using to cut it. I promise you are going to cut your own after watching this particular tutorial down to the end, and please keep on watching. So let's cut our black fabric that we are going to use to complete the dress that we are making today, the length. So I folded it into two, so I just mark 3 inch for the width. So after cutting it, so I'm going to take it to my machine to run a stitch on it. So after that, we are going to just attach it to the hemline of the main fabric to use to extend the length of the dress that we are making today. You can see that it's very easy to cut. The next step is my sleeve. Okay, so I'm taking the length, which is 10 inch, then the width is by 7 inch. Okay, I've run my stitch on it already. I hope you had fun with me today. I hope it was helpful to you. Try to practice it on your own, and if you don't understand it, watch it again and again, and you're going to get it. Why not challenge yourself today? Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share with your family. Please ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end, and also turn on notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you all on my next tutorial.